Good morning, children. Today we will start worksheet number 3. Let's begin with question number 1A. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which season was going on? 4 options are given here. Filza fish, jellyfish, hilza fish, none of these. We all know that it was the season for hilsa fish, right? So here we will choose C as correct answer. Number 2. Who told the girl about the ghost? In the poem The Shade, who told the girl about the ghost? Her friend, her mother, her sister, her brother. The girl's brother, means the brother of that girl, said and told about the ghost. So here we will choose D as correct answer, her brother. Number 3. What does the word peep mean? Here we have to write synonym of this word peep. 4 options are given: to jump, to try, to look through, to shout. But here the meaning of peep is to look through. So here we will choose C as correct answer. 4th number, where is the shade? In the courtyard, in the garden, in the playground, on the veranda. Here the correct answer is B option, in the garden. The shade is in the garden. Moving forward, question number 1B, answer the following questions. Question number 1, describe the window of the shade. Here we have given the description of the shade. Answer is, the window of the shade has 3 glass panes. They are cracked. Its hinges are rusty. उसकी जो hinges थी वो बहुत ही dirty थी, rusty थी. They creak in the wind. The window is covered with dust. And पूरी की पूरी जो windows थी shade में वो कैसी थी? Dust वाली थी, rusty थी. Question number 2. What 3 things did Gopal do before he went to buy the hilsa fish? Gopal was going to buy the hilsa fish, but before going he has done 3 things. So here we have to write that those 3 things. Number 1, Gopal's half shaved his face, smeared ash on his body and put on rags before he went to buy the hilsa fish. सबसे पहले क्या किया था? गोपाल ने अपना जो फेस था उसमें हाफ शेव बनाया था, मीन्स आधी दाढ़ी बनाई थी, आधी नहीं बनाई थी, मीन्स उसका फेस हाफ शेव्ड था. सो गोपाल हाफ शेव्ड हिज फेस. देन व्हाट ही हैड डन? ही हैड स्मियर्ड द ऐश. उसने जो राख होती है, ऐश होती है, वो अपने पूरे फेस पर लगा दी थी, अपनी बॉडी पे भी लगा दी थी. एंड एट लास्ट 3rd थिंग उसने क्या की थी? पुट ऑन रैग्स. उसने बहुत ही गंदे एंड फटे हुए कपड़े पहने थे बिफोर ही वेंट टू बाय द हिल्सा फिश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, वाई डिड द किंग वॉन्ट नो मोर टॉक अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश? द आंसर इज, द किंग वॉज वेरी मच फेड अप विथ द कॉमन टॉक अबाउट द हिल्सा फिश. क्योंकि जो किंग थे वो बहुत ही थक चुके थे, क्योंकि हर जगह पे लोग किसके बारे में बात करते थे? ओनली हिल्सा फिश. एवरीबडी टॉक अबाउट हिल्सा फिश एंड विथ कॉमन टॉक अबाउट दैट फिश द किंग वॉज वेरी मच फेड अप एंड टायर्ड. दैट्स वाई द किंग wanted no more talk about the hilsa fish. Now question number 2A, do as directed. This topic will be asked from grammar. Number 1, omit the relative pronouns and rewrite these sentences. What we have to do in this question? We have to omit relative pronouns and then again we have to write these sentences. A is given, this is the school to which I went for the inter-school debate. Now from this sentence we have to omit relative pronouns. Now here in this sentence, which one is the relative pronoun? to which. So here we will omit this word and then again we will rewrite this sentence as this is the school I went for the inter-school debate. Number 2. Put a circle around the pronouns in each sentence and say whether they are reflexive or emphatic. Now in this question we have to put a circle on the pronouns and then we have to say whether they are reflexive or emphatic. In A, my elder brother cooked my birthday meal himself. In this sentence, the pronoun is himself. So here I have already circled on himself. Now we have to say this sentence and this pronoun is as reflexive or emphatic. So himself is reflexive pronoun. So here we have to write reflexive pronoun. B. Diya's cat liked to cook at itself in the mirror. In this sentence, itself is pronoun. Now which pronoun it is? It is also reflexive pronoun. C number, I can look after myself. Here myself is a pronoun and this one is also reflexive pronoun. Last number, Rini found herself stuck in traffic. Now here herself is used for Rini. So here we will write this pronoun as emphatic pronoun. Number 3, read these sentences and underline the demonstrative, interrogative and possessive adjectives in them. A. Which story did you like the most in this book? Now here in this sentence, which is used to ask question. When any adjective is used to ask questions, that adjective is an interrogative adjective. So here which is interrogative adjective. So we will write here interrogative. Then B. These fans needs to be painted. Now in this sentence, this is adjective, but which adjective it is we have to mention here. So here we will write this is demonstrative adjective. So here we have completed worksheet number 3. Everybody write this worksheet in your notebook with neat and proper handwriting. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.